guys, in this video I will show you how to use airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. So as of right now, I have opened Monopoly Go. So the first thing you need to do is you need to set your dice multiplier to times 100 or times 1000. You need to actually risk something on that case. Once you have set that, just go right here to your Play Store and then go and install any VPN if you like. So just search in here for VPN and then install any VPN right here. Then open that particular VPN and then connect to a network that you want. Now in here, just tap to connect, and then once you have done that, you need to head over and then turn on your airplane mode right around here. So just click on this airplane mode, and then from in there, next thing you need to do is you need to head over and then close the app right here of Monopoly Go, and then from in there, open it again. So let's open right here our Monopoly Go. And then once you have opened Monopoly Go, make sure that here your Facebook account has been linked for autosave. And the first number on your recorded roll list is the same as earlier. So if it's the same, you can head over and then roll up to times 1000. And if it's not, just head over and then roll 4 times 1. So just do it again and again until you use up all of your dice. So that's how you use airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. I hope this video helped you out a lot. Thanks!